CQ, 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 CQ. This is N6F, November 6th Foxtrot. Special event station at the Rio Linda Farm and Tractor Days, calling CQ and listening. Named after a guy by the name of Samuel Morse. He invented it, right? He came out with Morse code, yeah. Yep. And they used his Morse code, they used for the telegraph that went all the way across the country, landline telegraph.
Da-di-da-dit-dat-da-di-da, da-di-da-dit-dat-da-di-da. What do you hear over the air? CQ Serenade. So you don't know just what it means. Dust your shoes off, shake out your jeans. Get on your feet, jump to the beat of CQ Serenade. CQ has gone and brought us a new rhythm that's swinging all the cats by the ear. Let's do ourselves a favor and get with 'em. You'll find you get the message, man, you'll hear it coming loud and clear. Doesn't matter what words you sing, just remember the beat's the thing. Get on the beam, carry the theme of CQ Serenade. Da-di-da-dit-dat-da-di-da, da-di-da-dit-dat-da-di-da. What do you hear over the air? CQ Serenade. Amateurs on the radio picked it up and then made it grow, spread it around, swelling the sound of CQ Serenade. From India, a call to the USA. I'm reading you, you're coming through fine. From Canada to France and the old UK, for when it comes to radio, the world's one great big party line. Tune in anywhere on the band, any corner of any land. Let's put it there, right on the air with CQ Serenade.